Are you afraid to fly? Soon you will want to take a plane. But what is this fear? It's a right expectation. The plane can fall. It's true. Goes down swooping and hundreds of people die. Horrific images on television, and the movies give you the assurance that if you go into an airplane, you will not get out alive. The problem is solved if you say to yourself, "Why climb? It is not necessary. I can live very well with my feet on the ground." This is true if there are not two possibilities. Number one, you cannot say the reassuring phrase because you are forced by work or other to make suitcases. Number two, the words are not enough. If you have the bitterness of having to give up to see a bit of the world today with little money and then return to everyday life. Especially for the second reason, I dedicate to you the exercise that in a few minutes will make you feel free to fly. After 3 consecutive air gaps on the Bermuda Triangle, had decided that the world I had seen was enough, and I do not want to see else. The person who was my husband often took the plane, safe that never it would fall. He is still alive, and I, like a foolish person, stayed home and self-convinced me that was what I wanted. Enough talking. In a few minutes, you can get your wings. Close your eyes and do 3 deep breaths. Inhale, while imagine that air is blown by the wind. Exhale. You breathe fresh air outdoor. You breathe fresh air outdoor, as light wind comes from a blue sky. Inhale much and let it go out. Then you take other air and let it go out while you have feeling that the body is heavy and the head instead is light, like flying. You fly happy. Now listen well. You will take the air, a lot of air, much as you can. And while slowly exhale, you will see a plane flying in the blue sky. Now we make this. Inhale lots and lots of air. Then while the air comes out very slowly, you look at a plane that is flying. It passes. You see a plane with eyes of mind. A plane flying in the blue sky. The plane is far away, and you like it a lot. When the air is output, you not think more to the breath. Your body works alone. Look at the sky. Your plane continues the route. You can watch the blue clouds, but now you are looking out the window of the plane. You are free to be on the plane, free to be free, and happy to be free. The plane walking on clouds, the train on the rails, the car on the asphalt. The airplane's asphalt are clouds, a street with a few holes that sometimes makes you jump. Inside the plane, you're flying. You do not have wings. You are on a means of transport. You are slither on the clouds. When your vehicle will take a few holes, you think that the car jumps for the holes. Then it resumes to crawl. On the plane, you can close your eyes and dream. Now, you can think of being on the plane. You hear the roll of airplane. Then, when it passes through the clouds to go down, you jump for some hole, and the plane goes down to the point of arrival. You quickly have flew over a piece of the world. Now you get off and descend the little stairs to go to other places and meet other people. Now take a deep breath. Take the air, and as you slowly exhale, look at the plane that is landing on the little wheels, on the asphalt. Look at it. You see, with the eyes of the mind, the airplane turns to go to the parking. Now it has stopped. Someone puts the little ladder. Now look at the ladder carefully. There is you who go down. Look at your travel dress. Do not lose sight your person that descends smiling. Look at yourself. Observe the color of what you're wearing. As you step off the ladder, one step after another. You must imprint this in your mind. You are seeing yourself that is descending the little ladder. Click. I make you a photo. There, while you're going down, you are smiling in your traveling dress while going down the ladder. Good. Open your eyes. And with open eyes, remember the photo. Look at it with the eyes of the mind. Look at the photo that I've taken. You are getting off the plane. Look at the photo carefully, because now comes the homework. After a solemn promise that you will do. Do you want to be free and happy to fly and see the world? In this case, you promise that from now, when you will think about what corresponds to the word airplane, you will look at this photo. If you read or listen to the voice of anyone who says the word plane, quickly you will look the photo that I took while you were going down the little ladder. Let's try it now. I say plane. You immediately, rapidly look at the photo. Put it in the place that you prefer. In front of you, in the upper left or right. Good next trip to plane. Have you obeyed? You will fly happy, surely. For any questions, you can send in an email and I'll answer.